Welcome to Alikare, and this is THEA. Okay, I'm here to talk about my breast again, guys. As ladies out there, and we're quarantining ourselves and we're checking ourselves on a daily basis. As female, we have menstrual cycle. We have our body goes through changes more than male. So there are things that we need to do and things that we need to know about our body and how to take care of it. And anything that I've experienced and worked for me, I'm willing to share it. I'm willing to put my pride aside and share it with you guys, because when it comes to healthcare and love, pride does not exist for me. So guys, what is fibrocystic breast? Fibrocystic breasts are composed of tissue that feels lumpy or rope-like. More than half of women experience fibrocystic breasts. So guys, most women have this where they feel the breast feeling lumpy, some big lumps in their breast. It's very painful. The pain is unbearable. There really no treatment to my understanding for it. I don't know if there are treatments out. When they do the test, just like how the breasts look, the breast will look white, like around the lobe it will look white, and so does cancer look white. So it's harder to know if you have cancer when you do just a mammogram or a x-ray. So it's best to get a MRI or a full scan if you have it. However, fibrocystic breast is not a disease. It's not something that you're supposed to be scared of, but the pain is unbearable. Also, you will mistaken it for a cyst in the breast. That's if you have a lump or a cyst, which is not cancer again, but a cyst in the breast. You can mistaken it for that. Okay, for the fibrocystic breast, as time goes, it will change. Sometimes it disappear, you don't feel it any at all, and then it just come back, especially around your menstrual cycle, or when you're ovulating, or when your hormone is going through changes. And this is why I recommend that you take things to balance your hormone and make sure that you have a lot of iron in your body. However, for my case, I don't completely know the diagnosis of mine, but I do know there was a big lump in my breast, make my breast look enlarged than one. I'm still doing tests as time goes by. If I feel comfortably enough, I will completely one day will tell you the 100% verdict. But right now, there is no verdict for me to come across it. But knowing that I had a lump in my breast and I did not take any medication, what I did use was a tablespoon of this for 7 days in water, and it helped me to take it away. The pain was so unbearable. It also eased the pain, and I also live on this HB Vortex. It's for iron deficiency anemia, which build up your iron. Now when you have a lump, it's not good to just want to get surgery done immediately, because sometimes it can just come back, and when it come back, you don't know how to get rid of it, and you already do a surgery already. And if you remove the breast lump, can still come back underneath the tissue. So what I did was tell my doctor that I want to try my own remedy. I want to see what's working for me. I want to see what is out there. And I've tried the baking soda for 7 days, and it worked for me. So I'm not telling you not to go to your doctor, not to do your test, but the baking soda reduced the lump. In the same week, it was completely gone. I couldn't see the lump from having up my clothes. My breast is gone back to its normal size. However, I can still feel lumpy in my breast. So for the fibrocystic breast, I am watching it to make sure that I don't get cancer, and make sure that I stay healthy and eat what I need to eat to make sure that my body have enough vitamins, enough nutrients, and all of those I'm getting from herbs and not medication, to make sure that I stay healthy. If this video helped you, and you know females out there that would need this video, send it to them, share it, because a lot of ladies and young girls out there, especially when they start the menstrual cycle, are going through pain and stress and don't know what to do. Please do not live on the baking soda. I only drink it for 7 days. I kind of like the number 7. I think it's a lucky number for me, so I drink it for 7 days. Now I only drink it like twice per month. It also helped me during this serious time. For the date that put up, and the video put up, this video put up, we have a disease going around, the corona coronavirus. So it also helps your body to just clean any unhealthy cells that enter the body. So that's why I drink it twice per month. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember, as I said, to like, share, comment, subscribe, comment, and let me know if you ever heard of it. I know people mix it with molasses, but I didn't want any sugar. Molasses is sugar. Even though molasses is good for the body, molasses is sugar. I didn't want any sugar, so I drink it just the same. So guys, it's up to you to know if you want to drink it just the same. I don't mix it with anything. Thank you so much.